Hey, it's your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Londa, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, over here we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we get in the kitchen and we do a little cooking. Today we're going to be talking about planning for Vlogmas. So if you're new to YouTube, there's this activity that a lot of YouTubers do during the month of December. So I want to talk a little bit about how I am planning on doing Vlogmas, as well as to encourage others of you to do Vlogmas. If that's something that you want to learn more about, I ask you to go ahead and stick around. So the first thing I just want to talk about is really what is Vlogmas. So Vlogmas is a holiday event where YouTube content creators, they post videos every day in December leading up to Christmas. So typically, most content creators will start on, say, December 1st and finish all the way up to December 25th. There are also those that may just do the 12 days of Christmas. And then there's some other kind of Vlogmas content ideas and ideas that others may do. I also want you to know that if you are a blogger, you could also do this same idea with your blog and call it VLOGMAS. So you could post blog content every day for 25 days, or do the 12 days of Christmas as part of your blog. So the other thing to know about Vlogmas on YouTube is that really the primary purpose of Vlogmas when it first started was really to get your subscribers, those that consume your content, into the holiday spirit. The other endpoint or outcome or purpose, so to speak, for Vlogmas, and that is really to increase your subscribers' engagement. So if you are a content creator here on YouTube, and one of the things you want to do is just to increase your engagement on your channel, then what I would do is encourage you to participate in Vlogmas, and that's something that I am definitely wholeheartedly going to do. So how do you plan for Vlogmas? I'm so glad that you asked, and you guys can see I have my handy dandy planners here. If you haven't checked out the video where I compare these two planner covers, I'll make sure to link it in the cards up above where I talk about those, so you all know, or you may have heard me say, if you're a returning subscriber, that this is my idea book. This is where I jot out all my ideas. This is my go-to. This is my daily planner, heavy duty planner that I use every day. But for today, I'm bringing out the Granddaddy, and this is my full-size planner that actually has happy planner insides sprinkled with some insides from different other planning shops. So today what I really want to just talk about is when you're planning for Vlogmas, is to plan ahead. So I want to just really kind of go to this tab in my planner where I kind of talk about I use my YouTube ideas and plans insert that I have. And I want you all to know that this planning insert is available on my website, www.teamombook.com. And you can download it for free just by putting in the coupon code FOREVERLONDA, and I'll make sure to put that up on the screen. But the one thing, and disregard the printing thing, my printer was acting crazy this morning. So one of the things that I do is I use this planning worksheet. I use this planning worksheet to really help me with planning out my content. I use this planning worksheet to plan out my content, and especially you can use this worksheet to plan out your content for Vlogmas. So planning out your content, sometimes people think, oh, it's just an idea, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and go with it. However, creating content for YouTube, sometimes it is spontaneous and you can do it. However, there are other things that go into planning your content. You need to film it, you need it to be edited, of course, upload. Thumbnail is all about the thumbnail. You really want to create a thumbnail that's clickable. The other thing is description. You want to make sure that your description box has all of the relevant information, including links to really describe what your video is all about. Also, you want to, think about creating an end screen to encourage others to watch more of your videos. The other thing is research your tags. When you're including tags as part of your content, you want to research those tags. You want to think about what's going to really optimize your video getting up there in searches. Also, I said this before, earlier, links in your description, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that. Schedule it, a release date, as well as if you're going to promote it on your other social media platforms, say Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or whatever the case may be. This is that field here, and then whether or not this is part of a collaboration, and have you done all parts of the collab. So for Vlogmas, you may be saying, oh my goodness, Yolanda, how can I participate in Vlogmas that's 25 days of content? So here's some ideas that we can really kind of talk about, some really quick ideas. One is what you want to do is Christmas decor. Everyone likes to see Christmas decor, whether it be minimal Christmas decor, whether it be traditional Christmas decor, or maybe it be full-on glam Christmas decor. You can show not just the Christmas decor in your home, but maybe Christmas decorations throughout your city. There are various hotels, streets, neighborhoods, etc. that are known for decking things out for the holidays. And what better way to get your viewers in the Christmas spirit than to show them these Christmas decorations, and to maybe do some commentary on it with some really soft music in the background. So that's a great idea for Vlogmas. Another idea for Vlogmas is DIY ugly Christmas sweater. So whether you've gone back to the office, or maybe this is a holiday party that you're attending, lots of people do what they call ugly Christmas sweaters. And so what better way to really show off or make your ugly Christmas sweater unique than to do it yourself? And this is something that you can share with your audience, especially if you are a DIY channel, or maybe you do a little DIY. Show your audience another side of you so that they can get to know you better. It's definitely a good thing for the people that subscribe to you, that watch your channel, to get to know you better. So that's another content idea for Vlogmas. Another content idea for Vlogmas is Christmas gift guide. So when you're creating a Christmas gift guide, you can create the Christmas gift guide for maybe those that are in your niche. So if your channel caters to a particular niche, so maybe you're a luxury channel where you talk about luxury, create a gift guide for the woman of luxury or the man of luxury, and maybe do in that gift guide talk about 3 different price points. If you are a niche channel and maybe you talk about books or writing, you may want to then showcase the books or things that people can buy for people that are book lovers or readers. Now, the one thing too that I also want to say, another idea could be Christmas traditions. We're, I'm here in the U.S. and the United States is known for being a melting pot. And what better way to share to others some of the traditions that your family participates in. My kids used to have a sleepover on Christmas Eve, where it was just them as they anticipate the coming of Christmas morning. So share with your audience those Christmas traditions. So these are just 4 ideas that I've shared with you all. There are definitely more. And if you think of something else, or maybe there's a Vlogmas idea or something that you would like for me to do here on my channel for Vlogmas, go ahead, drop it in the comment box. Or if you have another idea, drop it in the comment box. If you want to share with me your Christmas traditions, drop that in the comment box as well. So that's one of the other things, one of the other ways that I kind of use this YouTube ideas and planner worksheets. Now, this worksheet isn't just for Vlogmas, it'll also work for other content planning ideas. Another thing to think about and how I plan for Vlogmas is to create a schedule. Now, what I've done is I've laid out the month of December and just really started to plot what days particular videos ideas that I've jotted here, what days those videos will come out. And one of the things that will allow you to do is, 1, be consistent, and 2, it'll allow you to create a schedule knowing when these videos have to be filmed in order for you to have them edited and uploaded in time on YouTube. The other thing about creating a schedule is that a lot of your audience, they expect it. Think about your favorite TV show, or even your favorite YouTuber. You know what day and you know what time typically that video is going to drop. And if you have a favorite TV show, you know what day and time that TV show is going to air. So you anticipate that, you wait for it. And so as a YouTube creator, as a content creator here on YouTube, you want to also create that same sort of anticipation and that same sort of excitement within your audience. So when you create that schedule, stick to it, be consistent to it, and that way your audience knows, yep, I know that at 2 p.m. every day, Forever Londa is going to drop that Vlogmas for me to go ahead and take a look at. The third thing that I do for Vlogmas is, don't forget the business side of YouTube if the business side is your thing. So what do I mean by that? That means don't forget to share your affiliate links. So if you have affiliate links, don't forget to share those in your description box. Your affiliate links to your Amazon influencer account or your Magic or Art Style account. Don't forget to share those links. Now, you may be saying, but Yolanda, I'm not an influencer yet, or I don't have that many followers or subscribers yet. But I want to encourage you to look into those programs, because you never know. There are many, many organizations and brands that are out there that are looking for what we call micro influencers. So these are people that don't have a large following, but their following is very engaged. So you can reach out to those brands, those companies, Amazon, and go ahead and utilize those affiliate links and include those affiliate links in your description box. Share your coupon codes. Like some of us, we have coupon codes that have been shared with us for either purchasing items or purchasing from small businesses that may say, hey, share this with your friends. Don't forget to share those in your description box. tag them. If like today, you can't see me today, but if I, for example, was doing a video and you were able to see what I had on, I would tag where I got the outfit from, and let them know that Yolanda sent you. Don't forget to do those things in your description box, if the business side of YouTube is your thing. The other thing about the business side of YouTube that I want to say is, if you're using services that give you referral awards, don't forget to include those in your description box. So for example, if you love online shopping and you're using Rakuten has an option where you can put your referral information or your referral link, and anyone that then signs up for Rakuten using your referral link, then you get monies back. Don't forget to include those kinds of things in the description box. The other thing, don't forget, is if you're using other services. So some of you may be using copyright-free music. You can include those referral links in the description box. So if business is your thing on YouTube, don't forget the business side of it. Now remember, you do not have to be monetized on YouTube in order for you to make money on YouTube. So if you've not yet gotten those 4,000 hours, if you've not yet gotten those 1,000 subscribers, don't let that discourage you from using your description box to its fullest capabilities. And if you're asking what is the description box, it's that little thing that right below this video, there's a little arrow that you can click on, and it will include a plethora of information, including the link to this worksheet that you can download for free. Most important thing about planning for Vlogmas is be you, be authentic, and most of all, have fun. So again, this is your girl Yolanda, and hopefully you enjoyed this planning for Vlogmas ideas, and I hope you all will join me for Vlogmas this year as I participate. It will truly help. And thank you all so much, those of you who have been subscribing. I am almost at 200 subscribers, and I'm so happy for all that you all have done. Thank you so much for helping your girl reach this goal. Again, this is Yolanda over here at Forever Londa, and over here we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we get in the kitchen and we do a little cooking. Bye now. See you later.